we'll see how to use variable in Postgres. To begin with, let's define our first variable using set command. Set, then name of variable. In my case, I'll be using variable name as from date, and the value I'll set is 1st January 2023. And to verify the value of this variable, use echo command followed by colon and then the name of variable in single quote. To use this variable in query, let's write a simple query. Select star from user data, where user data is my table in Postgres database, and then I can use it in a where condition, where created at is greater than or equal to. Instead of defining a date here, what you can do, you can simply replace it with your variable name, which is from date. Let me just put a limit on it. We got two records where created as is greater than 2023, so you can reuse this variable in different query. So let's try that. Select star from order item, where created at greater than or equal to your variable name. Again, I'll put a limit 2. Great. This is how you can use a variable in Postgres. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates.